work out the percentage of these students who bought 20 or more books. So we're looking at the very last bar, which is here. Very last one, which is here. So 2 students bought 20 or more books, and there were 40 in total that were surveyed. So it's going to be 2 out of 40 multiplied by 100. So you type in your calculator 2 divided by 40 times 100 equals 5%. Show that an estimate for the mean number of books bought is 9.5. You must show all your working. So I'm going to write this down on a different page, but I just wanted to show you how I would actually answer this question. So 0 to 4, the number of students were 11.5. This is going from 10 to 12. So this would be 11, and then it's just halfway. And you would need to find the midpoint of 0 to 4, because this is a range of numbers. So you would do 0 at 4, which is 4, divided by 2, 2. So you would use 2. Actually, I'm just going to write on this page. So 2 is 11.5, and 5 to 9. So add these two and then divide it by 2. 5 add 9 is 14, divided by 2 is 7, and that's gone up to 8. And then 10 add 14 is 24, divided by 2 is 12, and that's gone up to, so 12, 13.5. And then you're going to keep going for these 2 more bars. So this would be the number of books which we've found the midpoint of, because we had it in a range, 0 to 4, 5 to 9. So I've just done the midpoints of those. Instead of 0 to 4, I've done a midpoint and got 2. Instead of 5 to 9, I've done a midpoint by adding 5 and 9 together, dividing it by 2 to get 7, and so on. So I've gone all the way down to 20 to 24, add them together, divide it by 2 to get 22. So these are the midpoints. And then the actual number of students are represented by the height of the bar. So then I'm going to do a total of that. So total by multiplying these numbers across. So I'm going to multiply 2 by 11.5, 7 times 8, 12 times 13.5, 17 times 6, and so on. Write the numbers here. And then this total, I'm going to divide it by how many people were actually surveyed. So 2 times 11.5 is 23, 7 times 8 is 56, 12 times 13.5, 162, and so on. So I've multiplied across to say 2 books, 11.5 students chose 2 books, so altogether that was 23. 8 students chose 7 books, so altogether that's 56, and then so that running total is 387. Divide it by how many people, so about 41. This is an estimate anyway, because the data is grouped data. So then you're going to do 387 divided by 41 to work out the mean, which is 9.4. So 387 divided by 41 is 9.4. So in the question, it was actually 9.5, but because so it's an estimate. So because it's an estimate, and because we're reading the numbers from the bar, you're allowed to be out by 0.1. Okay, so it's 9.4 from your working out. So your working out has to be, your answer has to be supported by your working out as well.